Attorneys in a pivotal case that could decide free speech rights for students presented oral arguments at the Supreme Court this morning.
Brett Betters joining us now with a closer look at the case and how its outcome could impact students across the country. Brett, what's at stake here?
A Third Circuit decision which ruled that school administrators may not regulate off-campus speech by students is being challenged in the nation's highest court after a Pennsylvania high school student posted inflammatory, non-specific comments about school and school-related activities on Snapchat, words that could ultimately shape the contours of protected speech.
When it comes to what constitutes protected speech, the jury is out.
A long-term impact. This is not a decision that's going to be, here today, gone tomorrow. This will be a decision we're citing for years and, another 51 years ostensibly.
In what may be the most consequential case regarding student free expression in more than a decade, MSU Associate Professor of Mass Communication Bradley Wilson says context is key.
She made her comments, some derogatory comments about the cheer team that she didn't make and about the coach, away from school, not wearing a school uniform, in no way identified as the school, but yet the school administrator still saw fit to punish her because of what she said on Snapchat.
These comments made by a Pennsylvania high school student who didn't make the squad are now under scrutiny by the nation's highest court.
And certainly school administrators have a lot more things to consider when it comes to free speech issues. But also, where does the role of the administration stop when it comes to governing the students?
Among students, opinions vary.
I do think that the girl is protected under the First Amendment, especially since it wasn't on school property.
Junior mass communication major Thalia Doe believes if the speech isn't illegal, it shouldn't be regulated by administrators. Fellow colleague and senior mass communication major Yearsley Duran differs.
Whatever happened with her cheerleading team or her teacher, she should have kept it to herself, not posted it publicly, because if she did post something publicly, I feel like the cheerleading coach or the cheerleading team can do something about it. They can take some action.
All eyes on the Supreme Court, with a decision expected in late June.
Legal experts aren't sure how the court will rule on this one. I know we'll all be looking forward to that decision later this summer.